Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Random Sync 7. And firstly, today I'm not going to come in front of the camera, and secondly, let's quickly unbox this. This is something that I just ordered from Amazon as soon as Amazon started delivering non-essentials to my location. Anyway, so this is a portable tire inflator. Shit, what's wrong with me? Portable tire inflator. Yep, let's quickly take a look what's inside. So I've already opened the plastic packaging, non-tearable or non-tamper-proof packaging to see what's inside. Let's keep that aside, and here we go. So I wanted one from a brand called Rescue Tech because that's what a lot of people recommend, but I couldn't find that, so I went for the next best one, which looked very similar. So it's from a brand called Woscher, and the model number is 801. I think it's a pretty portable tire inflator for, maybe you can carry along on bikes as well. Quick features: fast inflation, long power cable, built-in LED, and large display. And yeah, I mean, it has a 1-year warranty, and as per the brand itself, inflates a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in approximately 3 minutes. That's what it says. I don't know about that, but I'm not testing it today because of Amphan, the super cyclone. It's still raining here in Shillong. We are still facing some of its power. So anyway, let's quickly see what's inside. A short video, hopefully, not a professional unboxer. So firstly, there's no seal here, there's no plastic. Normally you do find that, but that's fine. Cool. It comes in a, looks like it comes in a carry pouch. Quickly take it out. There we go. Nothing else inside the box. Let me keep that aside. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. It almost smells like it's been sanitized. There you go. So this is the inflator. Let's just see what else is inside. Is that why it smells? Nothing else is inside. Anyway. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is a car freshener for the car, and that's what smells like. The what did I say? The sanitizer. Anyway, so this is a very decent touch. I like it. I like the smell. I'm liking the smell actually. So anyway, that's one thing that they've given. User manual and terms and conditions. What else is there? Operating instructions, specifications, caution. Okay, cool. And this is a thank you note. Awesome, nice. Thank you note. And what does it say? Thank you for your purchase, yada yada. Free 6 months extended warranty. To avail additional 6 months warranty, please send an image of the product and invoice copy on a WhatsApp number. Okay, that's not bad. I can do that. And this itself is the tire inflator. It's pretty small. I don't have a measuring tape right now, but I know this is my hand, and yeah, it's not that big. The tire pressure gauge is here. It has both bar and psi. It has no marking for 30, but I can maybe take an estimate and figure it out. Apparently it goes up to 130 psi. Hang on, I thought I saw that somewhere. Did I see it somewhere? Yeah, max pressure is 130 psi. Not sure if you can see it. Rated voltage or rated power is 120 watts. Max current is 10 ampere. 130 psi is the max pressure. The hose length is about 500 millimeters, plus minus 20 millimeters. The power cable length is about 3 meters, which is pretty good. And the weight is about 0.75 kilogram. So it's not that heavy, which is pretty good, because we want things to be light when we're in a motorcycle, and we don't want to be lugging too much weight. So anyway, what I like about this unit is everything that you need is pretty much enclosed within the unit itself. As you can see, this is the hose. The hose is braided, so it's nice. It's not breaking easily. I can see a small spring here, so it won't break at this point. So that's pretty thoughtful. There's some notice here. What does it say? Please make sure the screw of the air hose is tightened on the tire valve, and make sure that you will not hear the sound of air leakage. Please notice that the air hose will get hot after inflating for 10 minutes. Okay, so this will get hot after 10 minutes. Quickly see how long it is. Okay, fair enough. That's about 500 millimeters. that's cool. I see some other valve here. I'm not sure what this is for. I'll have to check that. Let's keep it aside. I think this is for inflating balloons and come on. There we go. This is for footballs, basketballs, volleyballs, any balls that you might want to inflate. So that's nice. Is this the adapter for this? I guess it is. I'm not sure. I'll have to check that. Let's quickly check that. Let's quickly check that. Give me some time. It won't take much time actually, but yeah, let's see if it screws in here. Does it? No, it doesn't. So is this for this? No, it doesn't. So what is this for? Ah, this might be for the bicycle and this is for the car. Okay, that's what it is for. Got it. So let's keep these aside. I don't think I'll be needing this. I don't have a bicycle. So the hose is here and then the cable itself is here. And it's decent enough. Yep, there seems to be enough cable inside here. And once you take out all this thing, it's pretty light actually. It's not that heavy, which is nice. And this is a cigarette lighter, adapter, power adapter. So the good thing is I have the KTM 390 Adventure and a vehicle, and both of them have this particular port, and you know, it's fairly easy to use this. I don't have to plug into a battery, a different connector for the battery. So yeah, this is it. So why I bought this is because my car front right tire is low on air and I don't want to, and my spare is not in a great condition. I don't think I can use my spare at all. That's probably one of the things I've been doing after, you know, I can go out, purchase a spare tire for the car. And my rear tire of the KTM Duke 200 is low on air as well, so I can't ride or drive these two vehicles. So, you know, to get these vehicles in working condition, I mean, they're low on air, they're not completely deflated. So yeah, I mean, just to, you know, take them out, I thought I'll use this and keep this because it's a pretty handy tool. It can come in handy in multiple situations. The only thing to keep in mind is, I mean, although the box itself, I mean, it's a marketing thing which says, you know, you can inflate a tire from 0 to 35 psi in 3 minutes, but it's best to use these tires, I mean, these kind of type of tire inflators, just to add some, you know, psi to the tire and not, you know, completely inflate it. So say from you are at 24 and you need 34 or 36, and you can, you know, add those psis. Anyway, so it's not a digital inflator, it's a pretty manual one. You switch it on and off. So I guess after your connections are set, the light will glow here, and you know, this meter should give you a reading of what the current tire pressure is, and once you get the reading, you can accordingly switch on and inflate, or you know, yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's it guys, a quick video of the Woscher 801 portable tire inflator. And this is actually one of the first things that I bought off Amazon as soon as they started delivering non-essentials. The other thing that I had in mind was a Bosch C3 or a C7 battery tender, or a, you know, battery charger for the vehicle, a 12-volt battery. Unfortunately, they don't have it in stock. Looks like everybody has the same idea in mind, and you know, that's pretty much out of stock right now, both the C3 and the C7. So yeah, I mean, these are the two things that I thought is pretty much needed to keep your vehicle in working condition, even though you start vehicles every once in 3 days. Anyway, so that's about it guys. Quick unboxing, and yeah, if you do like the content that I've been making, especially you know, unboxing and reviews of small little things that we need as travelers or, you know, bikers, or the videos of the KTM 390, or of going around the northeast, especially around Shillong area, do subscribe to the channel. It does help me, you know, get me more motivated to make more videos. And give a thumbs up if you like the unboxing of this particular tire inflator. And yeah, hopefully I'll make a quick video of how long it takes to inflate the front right tire of my car, and we'll test it out soon, probably tomorrow, as soon as, you know, there's some sunlight and it's not raining. As long as it's not raining, I think I can make the video, but if it rains, then I'll probably have to, you know, push it to some other day. Anyway, so that's it guys. You take care, stay safe, and take care of your family, and let's all get through this corona quickly. Bye bye.